folks that hip-hop is the genesis. Respect the life and the fashion of the children. That's the only culture we got, exactly what we've been building. All of a sudden I'm in front of some man. Now he's a youngin', but he's got a gun in his hand. He looks 15, he look frantic, he look afraid. I'm immediately apprehensive till I heard him say, do you want this? It's not mine, I promise. Found it on my block in between a couple garages. Didn't wanna leave it for a child to stumble over, man. I don't even know how to hold it, man. It was a 38, the poor man's machete. I held it in my hand like, damn, man. Now seriously, when the Amiro comes and the revolution starts, this would be kind of handy to have. Put this shit in the mailbox. Nah, I'm putting it in a fucking shoebox, son. Mosey down the road, thinking about the O. I used to roam this zone in 2 feet of snow. Right there, I used to be a record shop. I've gotten love, I've gotten drunk, I've gotten beat up in that parking lot. I've had my Lake Street pride for 3 decades. These alleyways and these street lights have seen my best days.